Here's how to turn off active status on Facebook as well as Messenger. Now, I have my iPhone and my Android here. I'll walk you through these steps on Messenger, but keep in mind if you disable or turn it off in Messenger, you also need to do that in Facebook. So within Messenger on your iPhone, Android, or computer, tap on the menu button at the bottom right. And now from here on the iPhone, you can see active status. Just tap on that and toggle it off here and hit turn off. However, on your Android phone, you're going to tap on settings and then scroll down, tap on active status, and again, toggle it off here and choose until I change it. After you've done that, let's hop into the Facebook app again on your iPhone or Android. Let's turn off the active status by tapping on menu at the bottom right, or you might see 3 lines at the top left or top right. From here, scroll down, open up Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings at the top. Next, just scroll down until you see where it says Active Status. Tap on Active Status and just toggle it off on Facebook. If it is on, just turn it off and you will have disabled it in Messenger as well as Facebook. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.